Dermarollers boast a number of benefits to the skin, including combating signs of premature aging, treating scars from acne, and providing an overall rejuvenated look. We've looked at features, quality, and value to put together our list on the top 7 best Dermarollers available today. Number 7. ELLIE Dermaroller Microneedling Kit. This cosmetic-grade Dermaroller features 450 small needles that gently roll over the skin in order to create thousands and thousands of undetectable contact points. In doing so, it gives the skin a jump start towards healing acne scars, reclaiming its natural brightness, and reducing signs of premature aging. We like that this kit is affordable, safe, and easy enough to use for beginners. Number 6. RoselynBoutique Dermaroller. Using the RoselynBoutique Dermaroller, you can enjoy all the benefits of professional microneedling with a tool that is easy to incorporate into your existing skincare routine. This easy-to-use roller works its magic on large pores and wrinkles in order to give you a clearer, more youthful complexion. The needles in this roller are sized at 0.25 millimeters for ideal penetration, ensuring that the experience is comfortable yet effective. Number 5. Linduray Skincare Dermaroller Microneedling Kit. A luxurious dermarolling experience wrapped up in one package, the Linduray Skincare Dermaroller Microneedling Kit gives you both of the products needed for a comprehensive spa-like microneedling experience in one package. It features a 0.3 millimeter microdermabrasion roller featuring 450 titanium microneedles, as well as specially formulated serum with vitamin C, E, hyaluronic acid, and jojoba oil to maximize the benefits of your treatment. You also get a free travel case as well as 3 ebook guides to help you get the most out of your Dermaroller. Number 4. Angel Kiss 4-in-1 Golden Titanium Microneedle Roller. With the various sizes of head attachments that come with the Angel Kiss 4-in-1 Golden Titanium Microneedle Roller, you can cover as much or as little space on your skin as you'd like, depending on your needs. This kit not only gives you a roller for the sensitive skin of your face, but also for the specific areas of the body and around the eyes. The 0.25 millimeter needles ensure a painless experience that will also help to improve your overall complexion. Number 3. ZUSTBEAUTY Dermaroller Kit. If you like the idea of an all-in-one dermarolling set and want to cover all of the bases, the ZUSTBEAUTY Dermaroller Kit does just that. A 3-in-1 set, this package comes in an elegant, giftable box and includes an 8-page printed manual, as well as a high-quality vitamin C 25% hyaluronic serum with collagen cream. The Dermaroller itself comes with 3 specifically designed rolling heads with 180, 600, and 1200 needles for use around the eye, on the face, and your body. Overall, this kit can give you a complete microneedling experience. Number 2. Sdara Skincare Dermaroller. While it's one of the most basic options on our list, the very popular Sdara Dermaroller not only performs well, but is affordable too. It features a compact design with 540 advanced 0.25 millimeter stainless steel needles, which are effective while still being the right size to ensure comfort during use. Simple yet effective, the Sdara Dermaroller is a great place to start your microneedling journey. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. Prosper Beauty Dermaroller Microneedle 6-piece Kit. If you're looking for a quality Dermaroller to use on a long-term basis, the Prosper Beauty Dermaroller Microneedle 6-piece Kit might be the perfect fit. Designed by healthcare professionals, the rollers included with this kit are titanium and feature 600 0.25 millimeter microneedles on every roller. You get 4 replaceable roller heads, which, similar to a razor, are designed to be replaced regularly for the best results possible and prevent damage to the skin. The Prosper Beauty is a simple dermarolling kit with great value for anyone who needs an established microneedling routine. Dermarollers are a valuable tool for anyone serious about their skincare to have in their collection. Which one of these options best suits your needs? Be sure to take this chance to head over to the description below for the most current info, availability, and latest deals on each of these items. And remember to like, subscribe, and leave a comment to let us know your opinion.